that yummy, Diego? Cheeky, look what you're doing. Watch what you're doing. Put the spoon down a bit lower for him. There's a good boy. Wait.
Good boy. Good boy.
Look what you're doing. There's a good boy. And don't put it up towards his mouth. Keep it low and then he'll get it when he wants it, sweetheart. Put it lower. Put the spoon, Charlie, put the spoon a bit lower. No, down, down, down. Put the spoon down. That's it. And then a bit lower. It's like yummy, Diego.
How's your nose? How's your nose?
Yeah, he's got a dirty beak. He's a mucky pup.
Do you want white food for Friday?
No, he'll wipe it himself when he gets back to his perch. Or he'll wipe it on the sofa. No, not while he's eating, darling. You're getting bored?
Yeah.
Do you want Mummy to do it now?
I want to do it.
You okay doing it still? Yeah. You sure?
Yeah.
Stop posing for the camera. Hmm?
Yeah.
What's that?
I like Diego.
You like Diego? He's lovely, isn't he? Is he your friend? Do you want Mummy to do it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Good job, Charlie. Well done. Good job. Mummy, do it now then.